Good people, I'm back. YesWeRentHouses.com in a freshly painted 1-bed and a den in Northeast Baltimore. This is unit number 2, second floor unit in Northeast. Fresh white appliances, nice cabinetry, nice flooring. I'm gonna walk you into the 1-bedroom, really spacious bedroom. This property does have a nice backyard if you want to do some cookouts. Window air conditioning units are available. Check out this bathroom. Clean bathroom. Rent this today. Apply today. Visit www.yeswerentHouses.com. See you soon.